Hey gang, welcome to Tomboy Beauty. I'm Amy Harber. You can find me on all my social media right there on the board. This is the May 2018 Birchbox. We're going to soak in the sunshine with a lot of fun products. There's also bonus products in this box, so that's really cool. So check out the box there, and we'll get right into the products. So hey, May 2018 Birchbox, cute little yellow, white, and gray. It's soak in the sunshine. Embrace the warmer weather safely with these sun protection pointers. So there's all pointers about not getting skin cancer and applying sunscreen and all kinds of fun stuff. And then here's the products. So we have the Davines OI all-in-one milk. It's a nourishing leave-in treatment. It detangles, it adds volume, shine, and heat protection. Then they sent bonus OI shampoo and conditioner samples. So always fun when you get a little extra from Birchbox, and it's all the same family. Then we have the Georgette Klinger coconut cleansing milk, which I'm going to be honest, the only reason I'm reviewing this box right now is because I needed face cleaner. I went through a whole bunch of boxes I have, and I was like, oh my god, face cleaner! So that's why I'm doing that box right now. So it purifies your pores. It's got a nice coconut scent. It's gentle. It's great. It makes your skin feel so soft. I'm also getting over a cold, so there's that. So if you hear me coughing, that's what's happening here. Then we have Hanalei lip treatment in clear. I like to put that under my lip glosses, especially my matte ones, because your lips get so dry. Then we have Love a Color Lock. One and done. It's in heavy petal. It's a rose gold. There you can see it a little bit. It's a shimmery. So it says it gives you 11 hours of creaseless color with no brushes, blenders, or primers needed. Then we have the Marcelle City Multi-Protection Tinted Cream SPF 25. So if you're having one of those lazy days where you don't want to wear a lot of makeup, just wear some tinted cream. It'll make your life so much easier. So that is the May Birchbox. There's where you can find me, and I will catch you next time on Tomboy Beauty.